This is AMS TV and you are watching AMS English News, and here are today's top stories. A big Congress workers meeting was held in Datia ahead of the Assembly by-election. State Congress President Jeetu Patwari and former Chief Minister Digvijay Singh reached the venue about 4 hours late. During his speech, Patwari strongly attacked the BJP and former Home Minister Narottam Mishra. He called him arrogant bhaiya and said the people of Datia would never forgive his actions. Patwari also criticized Mishra's lifestyle and mentioned the alleged harassment of Congress workers. His remarks have sparked a fresh political debate before the upcoming by-election.
माफी मांगते हैं आदरणीय अहंकार जी। कौन जी? आदरणीय
Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav has appealed to farmers to adopt natural and organic farming. He said natural farming has great potential and can provide better profits. Due to the possibility of low rainfall this year, the Chief Minister advised farmers to grow crops that need less water and mature in a shorter time. He said scientific planning will help protect farm production during uncertain weather. The state government is monitoring the situation closely through agriculture and horticulture departments. District level reviews are also being conducted to ensure all necessary support is available for farmers. Union Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia took a dig at the Congress during his visit to Gwalior on Saturday. When reporters asked him about the political situation in the Congress party, including the recent development involving Charanjit Singh Channi, Scindia said he did not want to comment on another political party. However, he added, "As you sow, so shall you reap," indirectly criticizing Congress. Scindia also compared himself to a racehorse wearing blinkers before a race. He said just a racehorse stay focused only on the finish line. He is focused only on development and progress. According to Scindia, serving the people and achieving development remain his only priorities. PCC Chief Jeetu Patwari has received a Rs 5 crore defamation notice from Shri Ram Tiwari, Secretary of the Veer Bharat Trust. Tiwari, through his lawyers, has asked Patwari to publicly apologize for the statement he made during a press conference. Patwari had alleged that the trust was involved in a Rs 500 crore scam and claimed that land was transferred for just 1 rupee. Tiwari strongly denied all the allegations and said the remarks seriously damage his reputation. He warned that if Patwari does not issue a public apology soon, legal action will be taken against him in the court. The issue has now become a major political and legal controversy in Madhya Pradesh. Monsoon rains continue across Madhya Pradesh, bringing heavy showers to more than 40 districts in the last 24 hours. According to the Weather Department, Indore received more than 2.5 inches of rain. Mandla, Khandwa, Bhopal, Datia, Balaghat, Ratlam, Baitul, Dhar, Khargone, Panchmari, Damoh, Jabalpur, Narmadapuram and several other districts also recorded significant rainfall. The rain has improved water availability and brought relief from the heat. However, authorities are monitoring the situation as heavy rainfall may cause waterlogging and traffic problems in some areas. Citizens have been advised to remain alert.